ISO. I played a cut with my homies, dressed in all black and we cozy. Can't say you love, you gotta show me. I ain't with my guys, then I'm dolly. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them mind they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them mind they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, DJI Action 2, got some things for you. We're in South Carolina today, and we're talking about this wonderful little camera. Got just the camera module itself, and we're here in North Myrtle Beach, barefoot. Woo! Got turkey run tomorrow, trying to get ready. We'll film some of that too. Insta 360 has a Black Friday sale going on, so I was in bed looking at the deals. Saw the 64 gig. You know, there's more I want to test with this camera that I really haven't. These houses are so cool. I really haven't tested yet. Saw the deal, saw the free selfie stick involved, 310 bucks. I clicked it again. Idiot, I'm a sucker. There's a barefoot landing. It's the Lulu's over there. You can see it. That's one thing cool about this camera. I can actually see what I'm pointing at. If it was the Insta, I have no idea what I'm touching. Greg Norman's, it's a good place to go eat. Lulu's is okay. It's Jimmy Buffett's sister's restaurant. I find the gumbo to be too much okra. Let's try a transition. So we're gonna try a transition from here. Pan up from the concrete and do the same thing from the bridge. And then it'll change from this shot to the bridge. So, boom, bridge time. So up next, we're going to talk about nighttime stuff, and we're going to talk about low light with the Action 2, which is not its forte, but we're going to look at it anyway because why not? So I filmed a little bit before the update, so I'll show you that compared to the Falcon. The Falcon is the Inky Falcon, which is a GoPro style of gimbal. So I try to make it work for the Action 2. And it actually worked. I mean, it's not the best thing in the world. It's not the most, because the Action 2 is so small. But let me show you what it looks like. So it is very rigged. It is made for a GoPro mount. So I used the GoPro mount that came with the DJI, put it on there, and then I added. Now what was happening was it was like this. So the weight of the DJI had it like this. So I got a lug nut and screwed it in there to hopefully make it balance, and it kind of balanced. So we'll turn it on. Look at that, it works. So this allows you to turn it off and just use the gimbal to stabilize it, and it comes out a lot better. I don't think I'm ever going to take off this attachment. If I need another GoPro mount, I may have to buy another one, because this fits here perfectly. It snaps on and we go. Snaps off and then we go. So this is the Falcon. I did a review on this a while back. I'll link it. Anybody interested? Check out the links below. Why not? There is the verbiage. Inky Falcon. Alright, let's do some test footage. Alright, it's on the Inky Falcon gimbal. 4K 60. Rocksteady is off. We'll just do a little daylight stuff because we can. Up here, so I apologize for the wind. And then you can do your selfie talk. So if you need a selfie stick anyway, you can use this. And so lower light, this will work.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't.
Alright, here's the, with the pizza in hand, here's the iPhone. Let's just blow it away. Wanna do a little cinematic video? Let's do it. Cinematic. Oh, yeah, I got a big camera out for this one. You don't even know what I do for you guys. Damn, this looks really good. Why am I just using this? Why am I buying all these stupid other cameras? That's dumb. I'm an idiot.
Cause I love you, baby. No, can't let you go. Cause I love you, yeah. There was a time I didn't have romance, but after I met you, I felt it was my chance. Was so brightly we held at the twilight's light.
First place. 23, I think 04. Let's go find the rest of the crew.
I love you, yeah. There was a time I didn't have romance, but after I met you, I felt it was my chance. But nobody tells me good things about you, baby. I'm gonna stay right here, and I don't mean maybe. Yeah. I can't let you go. I can't let you go. Yeah. I can't let you go.
Second.
Good job.
Thanks.
Happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
Second place.
So this is the front of the screen when you do your transfer, from transferring it from the main camera to the SD card. Then now on the back side, you can see where it gives you a indicator up top, like it's showing it's downloaded 9 of 30 so far. This way you kind of give a gauge of how much longer you have. Now it's on 10. So it helps out. Is it faster? Probably not, but at least you know what's going on. Alright, we're doing some nighttime audio. Right now it's filming with the screen on, so it should be using all speakers involved. We're outside of an area, so it is dark. I do want to say that I do like this camera a lot. So I wouldn't have got the shots that I would have gotten today over at the turkey run if I didn't have a camera like this, something real small like that. I was able to see what I was looking at, change the footage, go to photos, be confident what I was taking, put it somewhere. I got some photos of the family gathered together, put it on a metal pole, and we did a family shot. I'll show you that. It wasn't that great because somebody blinked or got a face, but it worked out well. So I am very much enjoying this camera, more than I thought I would. It's got issues, right? So we had an update and we're going to talk about some of the things with the update. I'm going to do some filming at night right now, and we're going to try out this Falcon thing. So we're going to walk down this corridor, this hallway, and check out the stabilization difference. Alright, hold on. Alright, rock steady, 4K 24. We're just going to walk as smooth as I can down this way. Now we're looking for any type of jumpiness around the lights is what you'll see, because the computer's working hard to make it work correctly. This is the new update, so alright, so we're going to go over to the Falcon, and we're going to switch it on there, turn off rock steady. It is when I check the settings, it does max out at 12,800 for the ISO. Didn't move. Okay. Alright, rock steady is off, 4K 24, holding it upright. Alright, I'm going to do a little flashlight mode. I don't feel any vibrations right now, so that's good. Let's just check out the blue sky in the darkness. It looks really nice on the screen. And I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to turn rock steady back on. Stop recording. Alright, handheld, just the camera itself. Rock steady is on. You guys want to try the zoom? That's new. So when I hit the zoom button, can I do it while it's recording? Yeah. It is still kind of touchy, but let's see if I can go slower. Look, it doesn't jump like it did last time. That's pretty cool. You kind of slowly pan in and out, depending on how well you do it yourself at nighttime. Okay, this is the GoPro Hero 9. So I wanted just to do a quick comparison. So let's do the same thing. 4K 24 handheld. Boost is on. Max ISO is 6400. Funny thing is, the first time I tried to start this thing, it froze. Old GoPro. Back to your old tricks. I'm going to go back over and let you check out the blue sky and how it picks it up at nighttime. It looks really grainy from the screen. Alright, so this is ISO 1800. You can tell it's a lot darker. Same thing here. We're going to turn rock steady back on. Stop recording. Alright, so this is ISO 1800. You can tell it's a lot darker.